How to make money with Lego. There is a way you can make money with your Lego right now. Let me show you too. Come on, let's go. So stick around because you don't wanna miss it. Seriously. Let's now start with an easy way we all know, BRICKLINK. BRICKLINK is the Lego marketplace. It was even bought by Lego recently. It is a website where you can sell your own Lego pieces, sets, minifigures, instructions, and even separate boxes. And you can sell them as well. Just create a store. But creating a store is not as easy as it might seem. So let me show it to you. First, you will need an Instagram account. I recommend using either your existing Instagram account or creating a new one, a business account, which is the better option. Then you're going to put the link to your store in the bio, and then you're going to post reels, and I do mean a lot of reels, because they are the only way you can get views on Instagram currently, because reach seems to be pretty low. But how do you get pieces even in the first place? Well, let's part it out. Now, what is parting out? Well, it is actually really simple. Just get a Lego set and instead of building it, get the pieces and sell them online. So, which set should you buy? Great question, Rob. Well, this is where price per piece actually matters. If you want the pieces, just the pieces, price per piece is actually really important because it's going to determine your profit. Usually, new colors are way more expensive, so the best set to part out is the new boutique hotel. But remember, never ever spend more money than you have. It's not worth to afford going to debt just to buy some sets, right? So if you can't afford it, buy a cheaper set. I recommend the Jurassic World sets because of the dinosaurs, and then just sell them online again. But if you have the money, just buy 3 of them, of course. Now, what are the cons, the bad things about parting out? Well, that is the work. Remember, you will spend a long time separating the pieces in the set, for example. And selling them is not easy as well, because remember, you are dealing with real humans in the world. Another easy way to get pieces and save a lot of money in a way cheaper way is to go to pick a brick wall. Do you remember those things in the back of Lego stores with a lot of pieces? Well, I explained in this video how you can optimize it to make more money with Lego and save money as well. Now, let's move on to one of the most profitable and yet complicated and risky Lego exploits ever, Lego investing. If you've been around, you have heard about Lego investing, and you might know that Lego investing is more profitable than gold, according to some website. A new study found discontinued Lego sets can have more value than stocks, gold, bonds, etc. and other traditional investments like art, for example. But that is not the full perspective, because while some sets may be so valuable today, there are others that are just trash basically and have zero value, like Chima. It's not every set that is going to be a success. So how do you make money with old and retired Lego sets in 2022? It is sometimes easy and hard to see which sets will be a good investment, for example. For instance, I thought the Lego Disney Castle was going to be a good investment. Then, as it turns out, it is still for sale these days, yes. So you'll definitely regret that one. And another one is the Tower Bridge, or as some people call it wrong, the London Bridge. It is not the London Bridge, guys. This one is the London Bridge. But that set was for sale for a long time, so its value has diminished. But there is usually a formula to predict which set will be a success in 10 years or so. Watch a lot of Just Too Good, M&R Productions, Brixie, and me, of course. Don't forget about me, please, guys. Because, as it turns out, the sets that they are interested in are also sets that other people like. And I definitely recommend you checking out the comment section, because sometimes there might be an exception to that rule, guys. Investing on Lego is like real-life investment. You have to take risks sometimes, but don't go too far. Usually, modular buildings are a good investment because they are a collection. If you don't have one, you need to get that one. Do you know it? Like the assembly square, for example, is a fantastic investment. And always, guys, count on nostalgia, because the kids that grew up with these sets, for example, are now adults and they would like to revive their memories. Another great one I recommend is the typewriter and the medieval blacksmith. And also, with the Spider-Man craziness going on right now, I recommend the Daily Bugle. Now that you selected the set you want to invest, buy it, but buy it only when it's retiring. After you buy it, you have to find a good place to put it in your house, preferably a place with no sun and low moisture. Remember to take good care of the box, as it has a lot of value, of course. Then place the box in a safe place, keep it out of pets and wildlife, then wait 5 or 6 years and then it's time for the next exploit. But guys, before I show you a fantastic way to make money with Lego, click that subscribe button right now, okay guys? Now it's time to sell. And the good thing is that there are many places you can sell your Lego. For example, let's start with Instagram and Facebook Marketplace. These are for the generic guy, the person that's not that interested into Lego but can be interested in the IP, Stranger Things, for example. Then we also have eBay. The most popular one, I think maybe it's Amazon, I don't know. But you can't simply just sell it on eBay because you are new. You don't know how to sell it. You are a noob. You need to become a pro. And how do you become a pro? You take good pictures of your product with lights and a background to catch the eyes of the beholder, of course. Then you need an online presence like YouTube, and then make a lot, and I do mean a lot, of YouTube shorts to get views. It is like Brickstar. I think this was not intentional, but his videos get a connection with the viewer, meaning that they are more likely to buy from his stores than others. Now there is just one more thing that will make you a lot of money, but before I show it to you guys, please join my memberships. If you want to make money, I definitely recommend you checking it out, because you get exclusive access to my videos and emojis, of course, like this new one here. Now the price is super cheap, it's like half a minifigure. Now guys, there is just one more exploit to say, and this one will make you a lot of money, but sometimes it takes just too much work. Affiliate marketing. Now, if you've been around in the YouTube space a long time, you might notice these links on other people's videos. I personally don't put these links because I think it goes against my brand, but I don't discriminate against people that do so. If you go on my description, you'll find a bunch of links to nice videos I recommend you checking out. Now, for this exploit, you need an Instagram account, and then you need to join the affiliate marketing program. It will take a lot of time for you to make proper money. Now, most people don't even click those links in the description, like you. I know that you didn't click those links. You are missing a bunch of cool videos, but it is what it is, right? Another way is selling your designs on websites like rebrickable.com, which has gotten a lot of promotion from YouTubers recently, so it will be easier for you to make mock designs. Not mocks that you like to make, but popular mocks like Among Us, Squid Game, maybe Lego NFT mock, I don't know. Now there is a lot of ways you can buy Lego for cheap to make money, and I definitely recommend checking out this video if you want to save money on Lego. See you there.